Good morning. It's day 4 in Maldives, our last full day. Nishil is returning though today back to Bombay, and we'll be chilling, relaxing as it's our last day, and tomorrow we'll be heading back to Bangalore. So guys, we are at the Nafi jetty in Thulusdhoo Island. Hey, how was the view?
The view is just amazing. It cannot be captured in camera. It's so peaceful.
Yeah, I think the camera cannot do justice. But Nishil, what do you say?
मैं बोलूँगा मेरे चेहरे से ज़्यादा मेरे पैर का लेगा तो ऐसा कांपते हुए मिलेगा. फटी पड़ी है. But it was worth coming here because yesterday we traveled around, I don't know, half an hour to see some dolphins, and then we were here and the dolphins were just having a stroll, morning walk perhaps.
And not one, not two, some groups.
Yeah. Yeah, I think there were like close to 20-25 dolphins, right?
One baby dolphin
Was naughty.
just jumping up.
Yeah.
Against the
It
flow.
was doing a twister in the air and coming down. Yeah, I saw that. I don't know if the GoPro captured it.
Let's see some fishes now, right? There's so many fishes here.
Bye. Hi, Michael.
Yeah, hi.
Where are we
Hi.
going?
We're going to go first to the beach, then we're going to go to the sandbank. And I think everyone loved the sandbank snorkeling. It was amazing. So I'm really excited. Yeah.
We're going again, huh? To have fun.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. See you there. Are those your friends or are we your friends? They your friends? Huh?
ride to the sand island?
Come guys, let's go to the beach. The final sunset.
All set to go. The airport.
Bye Garden Villa, we had a good time. Back to Bangalore.
Back to Bangalore. And here we say bye to Wisham as well. Thank you so much. We're gonna miss you. Stay in touch on WhatsApp. When you come to India, do meet us, okay?
Yeah.
Please do, please do. Bye.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hi guys. Last day.
We reached back to the airport. Hi Danny.
Trip.
Hi Danny. How was the trip?
The trip was amazing.
Really? Mike, how was
The trip was really fun. It was amazing. There's so much water, and I found my new favorite color there.
Which color?
That very light turquoise blue.
Oh.
The
One-
speedboat was fun, scary. Everything was in general scary and fun.
And snorkeling?
Yeah, we saw so many fishes and so many things that I loved it.